Hello guys. Welcome back. In this video I will show you the best electric countertop with pros and cons. If you are looking for accurate and reliable information, watch the full video. So, let's start our review today. Check out the product link in the description box. The Ovente Electric Countertop Single Burner 1000W is a compact and practical cooking solution designed for small kitchens, dorm rooms, office pantries, camping trips, and backup cooking needs. Featuring a 7.25-inch cast iron hotplate and a durable stainless steel housing, this cooktop combines portability with reliable heating performance. With 1000 watts of power, the unit delivers steady and consistent heat suitable for everyday cooking tasks such as boiling water, frying eggs, simmering sauces, or reheating leftovers. The heavy-duty cast iron plate retains heat well, which helps maintain stable cooking temperatures even after the burner cycles off. Its minimalist stainless steel body offers a modern look while being resistant to rust and corrosion. The overall footprint is compact, making it easy to store in cabinets or place on countertops without occupying much space. For individuals who need a secondary burner during holidays or gatherings, this unit serves as a convenient and affordable solution. Features and functions. 1000W heating power. The 1000-watt heating element provides sufficient power for light to moderate cooking tasks. While it's not designed for heavy-duty commercial use, it performs efficiently for everyday home applications. 7.25-inch cast iron hot plate. The cast iron cooking surface distributes heat evenly and retains warmth effectively. This helps reduce temperature fluctuations and ensures more consistent cooking results compared to lightweight coil burners. 5-level temperature control. The adjustable thermostat allows users to select from 5 different heat settings. Whether you need low heat for simmering or higher heat for frying, the dial control makes temperature management straightforward and precise. Indicator light. For safety, a built-in indicator light signals when the burner is in operation. This feature improves safety by clearly showing when the unit is hot or powered on. Stainless steel housing. The stainless steel body enhances durability and simplifies cleaning. It resists staining and can be wiped down easily after cooking. Non-slip rubber feet. The unit includes anti-slip rubber feet that keep it stable on countertops, reducing the risk of accidental movement during cooking. Pros and cons. Pros. Compact and space-saving design. Durable cast iron plate with good heat retention. Simple 5-level temperature control. Easy to clean stainless steel exterior. Cons. Single burner limits multitasking. Not ideal for large cookware or heavy-duty cooking. The Ovente Electric Countertop Single Burner is a dependable, budget-friendly appliance offering solid performance for its size and power rating. It balances portability, durability, and ease of use, making it a practical addition to limited space kitchens. That was today's review. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.